1, 2, 1, 2, 3. At times you'll need to mute strings that overring, like at the very beginning. For example, when you have at the beginning, if you're not careful, those two strings will ring, and you don't want that. So one easy way to handle that is to just bring your thumb down and kill the A string. So if I do that, I stop the A string from ringing. And then when I play the E, I can let my index finger come down up here and just lightly touch that fifth string. To mute that so that I don't have overring in the bass line there. And in the second half, the same thing with the index finger. And then here in the next measure, a rest stroke helps. By just bringing a rest stroke down to the fifth string to kill that low E. And then when you play the B, just bring your index finger back down here. So, the index finger can help a lot to mute overring. Bringing your thumb back to kill a string can help a lot. And it would help if the bass line was clear that way without a lot of overring on the other strings.